Welcome to Ev's Shed. If you've got an old wall like this, you want to dress it up, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this look really good. To set up our horizontal slats, our timber slats, I need to put up some vertical rails. This will hold the whole structure together. So I'm going to set these up but also attach it to our brick wall. Cut my pieces now, so what I need to do is get ready to bolt these into the brick. So I'm using these bolts. What I need to do is pre-drill this, but also make sure that when I drill it I go into a full brick, and then I'll use my rotary drill bit to drill into the brick. I've marked all my timbers where I need to pre-drill so I can go into a full brick. So on this scrap piece of timber I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pre-drill and I'm going to countersink as well, so I can make sure that this sits flush in the timber. So very important, I'm using a spade bit to actually countersink first, and then I'm using a larger size drill bit. So this is an 8mm screw, but I'm using a 10mm bit, so this can come in and out very easily and simple. So it's important that you use a spade bit first, because if you pre-drill this, say here, and you try and screw into that, this is going to move around like that. So always countersink with the spade bit first, then drill in the center. So let's start doing it. On my timber, now I'm ready to drill into the brick. It's nicely riding in there. Now I'm ready to put in my slats. I've got some composite timber looking slats. These are made out of plastic. So what I've done, I've cut them to size, 1.2 meters wide. I've kept this off the ground. The first, I made sure that the first one was level, so you can check my level here, it's nice and plumb. So what I do next is I pre-drill and also countersink, so when I do finish off the screws it's nice and flush. So what I'm also doing is leaving a gap, so a pencil thick of gap. So I'll show you how I put it in. But what also I've done is I put a straight edge against here, so when I do butt it against straight edge it's nice and level. Right, so ready to go in. Drill, pre-drilled it. First one in. Oops. Second. Third. Just check the level. Perfect. To save some time, I've pre-drilled and set these up. So I'm just going to go straight up and do it. That's how you set up an outdoor slat wall, and after this I'll set up the shower. So thanks for watching Ev's Shed. Catch you later. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button and also subscribe to Ev's Shed.